In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to make a passport size photo in Canva. Let's get started. First, launch your Canva, then click on this option, Create. Now select the option Customize Size. Now here, for the width type in 35 mm and for the height type in 45. Make sure the unit is set to millimeters. Now click on Create New Design. Canva will open a blank passport size template. Next, go to Uploads tab on the left and upload a photo or choose one you have already uploaded. Once your image appears, drag it onto the canvas and adjust the corners until it fills perfectly within the 35 into 45 mm frame. When you are done, you can click on Share, then select Download and save your passport size photo to your device. And that's it. This way you can easily create passport size photo using Canva. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.